rock stars. It's me, Ryan, Indie Music Dad. And it is a cold and rainy day here in Los Angeles where I live, and that means it's the perfect day for us to grab our guitars and work on some chords. Today in our video, we're going to be working on doing a chord change, and we're going to be practicing the chords of G major, E minor, and D major. So come on in, let's practice together. Okay, so as we're getting ready to practice today, we're going to be working on the chord of G major. So if you remember, we're going to take our thumb and our pointer finger, and we're going to put our thumb here on the top string of the 3rd fret, and we're going to put our pointer finger here on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. And I do have a video on my channel. If you need some practice, you can go check that video out. But for now, let's just practice this together, and now we're going to take our thumb or our pick, and we're going to strum all 6 strings. Very good. Now let's work on E minor. We're going to use 2 fingers for E minor, and I also have a video on my channel for this one if you need it. But we're going to take our pointer finger, our number 1 finger here, and we're going to put it on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. Then we're going to take our 2nd finger and we're going to put it on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Then either with our thumb or our pick, we're going to strum all 6 strings. Very good. And now we're going to practice the chord of D major. And you guessed it, I have a video on my channel if you need to practice D major. But just a quick refresh, we're going to be using 3 fingers. We're going to put our 1st finger here on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Our 2nd finger here goes on the 6th string of the 2nd fret. And our 3rd finger here hooks all the way around and goes on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. And then with our thumb or our pick, we play the bottom 4 strings just like this. Very good. So now we're going to practice changing those chords. So we're going to do downstrokes like this. We're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to go to E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now D major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So now let's try that again, and I'm going to give us a 2 count in between the chords so that way we can have enough time to change. So that'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then back to G major. Very good job. All right, let's try that again. One last time, and then we're going to move on to another exercise in this video. So let's start this together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Excellent job. That sounded great. Now, let's try something a little bit different. We're going to do a downstroke and then an upstroke. All right? So, even though I'm going to count to, it's going to be a 4 count, I'm going to count to 8, and that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that make sense? That sounds pretty easy, right? All right, let's do that together. Let's do just G major. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, let's do that on E minor. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. And now D major. We're going to do that. Same exercise. I'm going to count to 8 for us. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now really try on D major to try to focus with your thumb or your pick to really play those bottom 4 strings. And if you're feeling like you're a little bit more advanced, like you've been practicing for a while, you can also try to put your thumb up here to mute those strings like this. But for now, let's try to just put our thumb right in the center of the neck of the guitar on the back so we get that good pinch. And let's do it. Just do 4 up down strokes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, I don't know about you, but my head feels like it's gonna explode. So let's try it again. Even though we feel like our head's gonna explode, let's push through and let's go back to G major. Let's do 4 up down strokes and then we'll go right into E minor and then right into D major, all right? Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent job. Let's do that again. You're doing really good. I'm going to give us a 2 count in between those chords so that way we can feel comfortable getting into the shape. And this time really practice on getting into that good shape because that's what we're really focused on. We're focused on getting the shapes down so that way we get that muscle memory and it feels really good when we're playing. All right, here we go. Last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent, excellent job. Okay, we're almost done. I know your fingers are probably really feeling it, but let's just run through those one more time because again, we really want to practice on changing those chords and getting really good shapes as we change. So let's run through it one more time together, doing downstrokes and upstrokes because that will help us feel like we're actually getting close to playing some of our favorite pop songs. So here we go. Let's start here on G major and we're going to do 4 strums. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Excellent job. That sounded awesome. You did it! You made it through another practice video. Really great job. These 3 chords are in a lot of modern pop songs, so this practice video is going to help you just take one step closer to playing some of your favorite pop songs. So come back and check this video out when you're looking for something to practice. Run through this video just a couple of times, get comfortable making those chord shapes, and before you know it, you're going to be off to the races playing your favorite songs, and maybe even writing some music. How cool would that be? So we've done our practice today, we've done some really hard work, so that means it's time for us to have fun. So as we close our video today, let's play these 3 chords, G major, E minor, and D major, and let's play it loud! 2, 3, go! Awesome job today. Have a great day today. Keep practicing and we will see you next time.